Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. This one is in black denim. Beautiful bike. Starting up front, we've got the dual disc rotors. We also have ABS on this bike, front and rear. Engine is chromed out. We have that 107 Milwaukee 8 cubic inch engine. We have a quick release already set up for a passenger backrest. We have a heel toe shifter over here. Really clean bike. Miles on this are pretty low. We are at 14,494. Again, this is a 2017 Road Glide Special, black denim. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.